Hi, welcome to Party Food Hero. I'm Aaron. Today we're going to be making an amazing orange chicken. So no more having to go to Panda Express or wherever. You can make this on your own and it is absolutely delicious. Orange chicken. Let's go check it out. All right, so the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take your chicken thighs and you're just gonna trim off some of that excess fat. And then we are going to cut these into bite-sized pieces like this. So yeah, just, you know, like an inch by inch or whatever. Just bite-sized, normal bite-sized pieces. So just about that size. They don't have to be exactly the same size, but you want them as close as possible so they finish cooking at the same time. Now we're gonna make the batter, so you're gonna add in your flour. Get it all in there. Then you're gonna put in your cornstarch. And this is gonna be a seasoned batter, so get all that cornstarch out. So then you're gonna put in your salt. And then your white pepper, which is more of a beige pepper. And then you're gonna mix that all together. And then after you have that mixed all together, we're gonna add in our wet ingredients. Starting with some refreshing water. And then we're gonna put in an egg. Come on, open egg. No shells, no shells. Yes, no shells. That's how I know I'm professional. Just get all that egg in there. And then you're just gonna mix this all together until you get the consistency of like a pancake batter. Oh, whoops, oil, put the oil in. And then again, so you're gonna mix that all in until you get the consistency where it looks like this. A nice smooth batter. And then you're just gonna mix this until you get all those lumps out. So you want it to be nice and smooth. And that's probably the consistency of maybe like a pancake batter, maybe a little thinner. I don't know, depends on how you like your pancake batter, but you want this consistency. So not too runny, not too clumpy, just right. Then you're gonna put in your chicken and then just kind of mix it in there to make sure they're all coated in that batter. And then we're gonna cover this up and put it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. And then it is time to start frying. And you want your oil to be at 350 degrees. I'm just using vegetable oil because that's what I had. So just put the chicken in there. Don't put it all in at once because you'll lower the temperature of the oil and then you'll have an oily, gross, soft fried chicken. So I did this in about batches of, I think 3 or 4 batches. And you kind of want to, after you put these in, you want to separate them again because as you can tell they're kind of all congregating together and you don't want just one giant chunk of chicken nuggets. Or maybe you do. Maybe you're into that. I didn't, so I separated them all after I did my first batch. And you're going to cook these until they are nice golden brown and they look like this. Just a nice golden brown, and then you're gonna take them out, put them on a paper towel lined whatever, tray, plate, whatever, just line it with some paper towels. And then once you do that, it's on to making the delicious orange sauce. Look how delicious that chicken looks. Just so good. That looks like a heart, a beating heart. Beating delicious chicken thigh heart. All right, let's make that orange sauce. All right, so this sauce is super easy to make and pretty quick. So we're gonna add in some oil. You're gonna heat that up on medium-high heat, and then you just want that oil to get a nice shimmer to it. And then we're gonna add in our garlic, our ginger, and our chili flakes. Chili pepper flakes. Dang it, chili pepper flakes. There we go. All right. And if you want to make this spicier than normal, just add in more of the chili pepper flakes. So we're just going to cook these cook the, like I said, the garlic, the chili pepper flakes, and the ginger just for like 30 seconds. And then we're gonna start adding in the rest of the ingredients. But as always, this just smells so good. Anytime you're cooking garlic, it smells so good. So let's put in the chili pepper flakes so you can see that I actually did it. All right, and on to the next ingredients. So you're gonna add in your white sugar in a nice little pattern like that. And then you're gonna put in your brown sugar and kind of just quickly mix that in there. You don't want the sugar to start melting into your pan because it's a pain to get off. So then now you're gonna add in your orange juice, which gives it its orange flavor. And then you put in some soy sauce. And then you're gonna add in your vinegar. And this whole combination just makes an amazingly delicious orange chicken. It is really, really, really good. And so on medium high heat, you're just gonna keep mixing this. You want the all the sugar to dissolve into the liquids. And so you're just mixing this all together constantly because you don't want it to really, especially the sugar, you don't want it to burn on there. So once it looks like that, we're gonna make our little water and cornstarch slurry, and this is what's going to thicken up our sauce. And so you just mix that together, and then in little batches, I like to just pour it in there, mix it, pour it in, mix it, pour it in, mix it. You'll see what I'm talking about. And so what happened was, this is the second time that I made this orange chicken sauce. The first time I made this, I forgot to hit record, so I had to make this over again a few days later. I'm actually going to use this glaze for another recipe. I might put it on some ribs or some sort of pork product. But yeah, so anyway, so you're not going to see me putting the fried chicken in, and that is why. I am so sorry, but I'm just trying to be as transparent as possible. So you're just going to mix this all in together until it is thicker like this. You probably want it to be like a solid maple syrup, not like a really runny maple syrup, but just a good, nice, kind of thicker maple syrup until it looks like this, a little bit thicker. And at this point is when you turn the heat off and you would add in your chicken and just add it all in and just get it all coated. And it is delicious, and it looks like this when it's all done. All right, now for my favorite part of the video, I get to eat the food. Now, as you can see, this was a easy thing to make, not super hard, not crazy ingredients, but I'll tell you what, it smells absolutely delicious while you're making it, and it smells absolutely delicious right now because I am about to eat some. So let's get right to it. Orange chicken, here we go. So it's orange chicken. It's delicious. You got the citrus orange notes, and then you have the sweetness. You got a little bit of that tanginess, the saltiness from the soy sauce, and it just all pairs really, really well together. It goes great with the fried rice recipe that we have. We had a bunch of fried rice, a bunch of this orange chicken, and we had some family over, and they absolutely loved it. So definitely make this. It's a huge crowd pleaser. It's amazing. It's delicious. I don't know what to say. Just go make it. It's great. Check out the fried rice recipe as well, and you got yourself an amazing dinner to impress yourself, your friends, your family, whoever. But yeah, there you go. Don't forget to hit like, hit subscribe, hit the notification bell. Don't forget to check out all our other videos. Follow us on Instagram at Party Food Hero. Check out all the recipes that we have. Partyfoodhero.com, awesome, easy recipe website. It is just the recipe, that's it. You don't have to worry about trying to find the recipe, all these pop-ups that come up, because recipe websites are the worst. So I made a very easy one. Go check that out. And remember, be the party food hero.
Be the party food hero.
So good.